Okay, we're back with another brand new line for our showroom. This is Diverse Woodworking, an American-made product, really amazing quality, great colors. Everything is cut and printed here in the US, and we're really excited about it. Great price points, great designs. And Mark, why don't you take them through the line a little bit and give them some ideas on merchandising and other things you can do with the company.
Perfect. Like Cliff said, the line is wonderful. It's door hangers, but I'm going to walk around. We're going to talk about, we're going to think outside the box a little bit too, where they're not just door hangers. Again, great colors, great images. You can see in a store how we did a door here, a Home Depot door. We painted it, put some metal poles on it to hang the patterns on it. If you had a wall, do metal poles. You can get multiple signs that way on it. I would just suggest, like, if it's a round sign, it's all round. If it's squares, it's all squares, so that it keeps it clean that way too. You can free hang them from ceilings or anything in your store, but then it'll be, I mean, you kind of have to, it'll take some wall space and creativity like this to get a lot of pieces in. But also we're going to just talk about some fun ways to kind of think outside of the box to use it in your store for a visual, and also that way you can show customers how to do it. Of course, he's got great Christmas, great fall, Halloween, there's religion, there is football, there's baseball, soccer, I mean, everything it encompasses, and welcome signs and everything in it. A lot of them, it's great because they all have a wire to hang on. Some come with a ribbon, some come with a bead. But now, in a store, let's just talk about kind of a visual thing to show your customers. I did a quick little drawing, don't laugh. So this is my drawing. So imagine this in a window or around a door or anywhere in your store. This is a green garland. And then on that green garland, you can take and tuck in one of these on the garland. And then around this side over here is a Merry Christmas. Perfect, thank you.
There we go.
Yeah. And then that would be like hanging in there too. Then on the door, thank you, Cliff, I appreciate that. Then on the door, there's a Santa around there where the Santa could be hanging. And then, let's just say you have a terracotta pot. Instead of using it always as a door hanger, and you had plants in it or it had Christmas in it, a great little Christmas tree, tuck a nutcracker down in there. Show them how to use it in their store. They could do that at their front door at their home too. So kind of think of fun ways to use it. Also in your store, if it is something like this and you want to hang it, order 2 of them. Well, actually order 4 of them, because you know you need to order one to go and one to show. So you got to have more than that. You back them up, and then they can hang back that way too. So if they spin, you're not seeing just the back side of the sign. So you can have them hanging all different ones in your store. So that's always a fun way to use it too. So that's kind of it in a nutshell. You know, I can ramble on, so I'll stop at this point. So just get creative with it. And Cliff, like I said, the show's coming up.
Yeah, it's just around the corner. So just make sure you get your appointment booked with your local rep. As always, you can shop all of our great lines at cliffprice.com, and we hope to see you soon.